Hi everyone. I'm going to make this butterfly, dragonfly, and I guess it's little honeybees. I don't know, that might be a wasp. Probably need to rearrange them a little bit. I don't know. Well, put him over here, put him over here. Well, I still had two butterflies together. I don't know. I'll play with it a little bit and figure out something. I'm going to show you how to put a charm on. I'm going to attempt to show you how to put a charm on. It don't turn out too good for me half the time, so should have just looked at the top. That worked out real good. Yeah, I should have bought bigger rings. I keep saying that. But I've got like 1,000 or more. So I might have to use them. Twist it open. Continue to hold it. Then take our butterfly. Try to find the center. And since we've got a double, we've got to make sure we get both lengths in there. Oh gosh, I got it. Usually my pliers fly off. Must have been holding my mouth right that time. So, I think that's the front of, well, which is the front of the butterfly. Yeah, we'll have to pay attention so all our fronts will be in the same spot. And sort of even them out across this. And then we'll put some beads on. And I'll come back and I'll show you how to do the beads with a head pin. Because I had a bunch made up and I'm trying to use them on these bracelets. Yeah, didn't get all of them made up, but got some. Alright, I'll be right back and we'll go from here. Oh, and I'll show you this. On this clasp, I put 3 jump rings in because it needs a little bit of play to be able to go through there. And that bigger ring right there, I think it would make it hard to, if I put it right on it. That way it gives it a little bit more play. Okay. Now with a different type of hook, you could do different. Like you could do a lobster claw or something. But these are toggles. So I'll be right back. Hi everyone. I don't know if I'm going to use that one or not. I don't have it strung up. So, we're back. I've got all these put on. And we're going to put beads on. I don't know if I want to just open these up and hang them. I really don't think that's going to be enough room. So, we'll basically do the same thing we did on these. I've got some that I might have to twist right up. So on some of these videos you'll see me using flimsier wire that I'll have to twist on. So, I've always loved charm bracelets. But I've never made any until recently, so what we're going to do is we're going to hang it on the same side as where we've hung everything else. Set a dangle right. Spread our colors out. I'm going to do a couple of these and then I'll get back to you and show you the finished bracelet. The beads are easier to hook on than the charms. Okay, cool. Well, there's enough. So these are, well, they're a little bendy, but they're not bad bendy. So that one's got green on top, so we'll do green on the bottom and orange on top. Do it the opposite. That way they vary a little bit. About a ½ inch up. That might not quite be a ½ inch, but almost looks like it's more than a ½ inch. And if you would just want to hang them on like this, you can make the hole a little bit bigger so it'd be able to move on that chain. Go about a ½ inch up. And you just get it down there and get it close together so it don't come off your jump ring. So I'm gonna finish putting these on there, and I'll be back and I'll show you what it looks like finished. Well, I finished putting the beads on this one. Our butterfly, dragonfly, bees. Really appreciate y'all sticking out to the end and liking and subscribing. It really helps me out. And until next time, y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.